Yeah, oi.
Let's say for example you see the ghost and then you go like
Yeah, oi.
เยอะ ทุกคนนี่แม่นรูปเมนคอมพลีทเนาะเราสามารถสอนคำศัพท์ภาษาอังกฤษที่เฮาบ่เคยหูมาก่อนWhat's your name
My name is Ethan.
Ethan ทุกคน Ethan และ first บิลลี่สิสอนเขาวิธีสบายดีกันเนาะแบบว่าถ้าว่าเจอคนอยู่ลาวเขาทักทายกันแนวใดเนาะso how to say hi in Lao is สบายดี
Sabadi.
So when you see my mom or my dad, and then you can put your hands together like this, and then you say, "Sabadi."
Sabadi.
Sabadi me.
Sabadi.
Ime is mean mother.
Me.
Me. Yeah.
Sabadi me.
Yeah. You can say ime or me. That's fine. Yeah. Okay. Do together. Let's do together.
Okay.
1, 2, 3. Sabadi man. Alright, I'm gonna teach you one loud word, okay?
Okay.
Like when you shock or like you say, oh my gosh, right, in English. And you're surprised or something, you say that word. But in Lao, we have like from Ataku, okay? From my province, we're gonna say Yo
Yoi.
Yeah ơi
Yeah, oi.
Yeah ơi
Alright, again.
Okay Yeah
Yeah.
ơi
Oi.
So go faster Yeah ơi
Yeah, oi.
Let's say for example you see the ghost and then you go like
Yeah, oi.
Yeah, but this one is from my province, not like in the capital. In the capital, I think they have like Fa ơi. Ơi is exclamation.
Fa oi.
Fa ơi. No, you can say yeah ơi. That's fine.
Yeah, oi. Yeah, because I'll be local.
Yeah, you can be local. What about you? What are you gonna teach me today?
Okay, so in English and in America, we have lots of phrases
Yeah.
where it sounds like one thing, but
I'm
it means,
ready to learn.
But it means something else. It's called a figure of speech. So what I'm going to teach you today is hold your horses. Do you know what that means?
No, I don't.
Is it kind of silly? So the horse, like the animal.
Yeah.
So hold your horses means like wait or slow down. So if you try to teach me a Lao word and you go too fast, I'll say, wait, Billy, hold your horses. It means slow down, wait for me.
I see. Oh,
Isn't that silly? It's horse like the animal.
Yeah, he's an animal, bro. If you speak too fast, and then can I say, hold your horses, bro? You speak too fast.
Yeah.
Oh,
You can use it anytime you want to say wait or say hold
Slow
on
down.
or slow down, you say hold your horses.
what if you're driving, and then I say, yeah, like you drive too fast. Bro.
Yeah, say, yo, hold your horses. You're driving too
hold your
fast.
horses. Okay, guys.
It's not used, you don't want to use it too much because it's kind of like a silly one, but it definitely works. You're allowed to do that, yeah.
Okay, I'll use it.
You should use it on Logan. He'll be surprised.
Really?
I think so.
Okay, let's see. Okay, I'm gonna use it with Logan.
Sounds good.
Logan มันอีกคนหนึ่งเนาะที่เป็นรูมเมทของบิลลี่Thank you so much for teaching me today.
Yeah, thank you very much.
Oh, when we say thank you, you can also like put your hand together like this too. Like ขอบใจ ขอบใจ is mean thank you.
Kapchai.
ขอบใจ
Oh, kapchai.
ขอบใจเด้อ
Kapchai yer.
ขอบเด้อ
Der.
D.
Oh.
When you add เด้อ like it's more polite.
Gotcha.
So ขอบใจเด้อ is like
Der just means polite.
no, it's more polite.
Yeah.
ขอบใจ and ขอบใจเด้อ ขอบใจเด้อ is more polite.
Alright.
So
Kapchai der.
ขอบใจเด้อ bye bye.
Bye.